In this video, we are going to learn how to change the version of PHP from within the cPanel. Previously, in order to change the PHP version, we had to create a file called as useAltPHP under the public_HTML folder in the cPanel. In order to ease this process, we have now integrated a plugin called as PHP Selector, which allows you to modify the PHP version from 5.3 to 7.1 with a few clicks. It also allows you to enable various PHP modules using the advanced view. So let us now watch how to change the PHP version using the PHP Selector in the cPanel. You need to first log into your reseller control panel and then navigate to the domain on which you have your Linux hosting. Go to Products, List All Orders, then click on the domain on which you have your single domain Linux hosting or your multi-domain Linux hosting. Scroll down to single domain Linux hosting. Then click on Manage Web Hosting. Now, under the cPanel, scroll down to Software, and then click on Select PHP version. You can change the PHP version from 5.2 to 7.1 from this option. Select the PHP version and then click on Set as Current. The PHP version has now been set to 7.0. You can also change various PHP configurations from the advanced mode by clicking on Switch to PHP options. There are various PHP configurations which can be edited according to your requirements, and then you can click on Save. For example, you can change the max_input_time and then click on Apply, and then click on the Save button. Hope you like this video. In case of any other queries, feel free to reach out to us from the details given in the description box below. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.